If it's not saucy, it's not good. This is delicious. Hey everyone, I'm Jasmine, and today we're gonna be making a copycat recipe of one of your restaurant favorites, Taco Bell's Cheesy Gordita Crunch Supreme. Taco Bell uses a flatbread on the outside, so it's nice and fluffy. That hard shell taco isn't like the hardest, the crunchiest. Honestly, I love that. The ground beef is nice and fine, and obviously the toppings just bring it all together. Delicious. Let's get to cooking. We're gonna cook our ground beef, making sure to break it apart, and we're gonna cook it until it's cooked through. Something I like to do at home is to take 2 wooden spatulas, have them close together, and this is how I like to get it to a fine crumble. We're gonna toss in our taco seasoning and our water. Do we have a copycat recipe of Baja Blast? Oh, yeah. Comment below saying that we should make Baja Blast. Now we're gonna make the spicy ranch. Obviously, if you don't wanna make homemade spicy ranch, you can get the store-bought version, but we're gonna go all out today. Starting with some mayo. I love mayo. I actually don't really trust people who don't like mayo. Anyone here don't like mayo? Some buttermilk, red salsa, ranch seasoning, Fresno chilies, tomato paste, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Beautiful. There's very few things that are better than a homemade sauce.
Do you wanna try it?
Yeah. Oh my God, so good. Now we're gonna sprinkle some cheese on these beautiful tortillas. We're gonna get them melted and it's gonna act as a glue for the taco shells. Sprinkle to your heart's content. If you're making it from home, you know, just make it to your own taste. It's done. All right, we're gonna work quickly here. Pulling these. Pulling these tortillas out. Oh my God, gorgeous. Now it's time to assemble. We're gonna grab one of our taco shells, add in our ground beef, some spicy ranch, some sour cream, add some lettuce, some cheese, and last but not least, some tomatoes. One Cheesy Gordita Crunch Supreme is fully assembled. I'm gonna show you a hack. Since I don't have any taco stands right now, we're gonna take a fork, put it into the taco shell, like so, and we're just gonna let it rest, and it's gonna stand. Look at that. We are done with assembly. Now let's wrap them. We have some Cheesy Gordita Crunch Supreme wrappers here. We're gonna place our taco directly in the center, fold up the bottom corner, fold the outer corners, and then fold upwards. Just like Taco Bell. Starting with the copycat recipe. If it's not saucy, it's not good. This is delicious. Even down to the texture of the hard shell taco, so good. This is so freaking good. The more I chew, the more I can tell. First impressions, they taste super similar. However, when I keep chewing the Taco Bell one, I immediately know it's Taco Bell because it starts to taste like the smell of a Taco Bell shop. All right guys, that was not just a blast, but it was a Baja Blast. And if you wanna make this recipe or other copycat recipes, you can find them in these books, linked in the description below or on Amazon. Also, make sure to comment below and let us know what copycat recipe we should make next. Bye.